The United States Environmental Protection Agency, better known as the EPA, is responsible for the protection of human health and the environment. It works to safeguard air, land, and water quality, reduce environmental risks, and prevent pollution by regulating the manufacturing, processing, distribution, and use of chemicals and other pollutants. These regulations and the national standards set by the EPA form the basis for testing programs enforced across the U.S. to safeguard citizens. On December 2, 2020, the EPA celebrated its 50th birthday, honoring half a century of environmental protection. Its first act, the Clean Air Act of 1970, signaled a major shift in the federal government's role in air pollution control, authorizing comprehensive regulations to limit emissions. Further measures designed to protect people and the environment followed. The Clean Water Act of 1972 established a basic structure for regulating discharges of pollutants into the waters of the United States, as well as regulating quality standards for surface waters. This was joined 2 years later by the Safe Drinking Water Act of 1974, which authorizes the EPA to establish minimum standards protecting tap water. 1976 saw the introduction of the Toxic Substance Control Act, which regulates the production, processing, and distribution of a number of chemicals, today numbering more than 83,000. This list continues to grow each year as new chemicals are commercially manufactured or imported. EPA regulations constantly change, in line with the latest science. For instance, in the 5th Unregulated Contaminant Monitoring Rule, UCMR-5, which is currently under review and slated for publication in late 2021, approximately 30 PFAS compounds will be added to the methods alongside a number of other contaminants. EPA Administrator Andrew Wheeler said, "We are moving forward with several important actions, including the maximum contaminant level process, that will help affected communities better monitor, detect, and address PFAS. As regulations shift, laboratories need to adapt with them and ensure reliable, accurate testing. As you acclimatize to the new requirements, it's important to use high-quality reference materials to produce results that you can trust." LGC's Dr. Ehrenstorfer portfolio includes a wide range of method-tailored mixtures, specifically created to help you test in line with EPA regulations, including reference materials for 500 and 600 series EPA methods and methods 8260 and 8270. Because these high-quality products are designed to precisely support the exact requirements of each EPA method, your laboratory can avoid retests and produce reliable results, saving time and money in the process. Take a look at our 4 EPA method brochures and product listings online at lgcstandards.com and get in touch today to find out how we can assist you in your quest for reliable, accurate results. LGC, Science for a Safer World.